Hello viewers, today we're going to be changing out the ceiling fan here in the studio. The second one anyways. We're going to be replacing this SMC KB36 with a Hampton Bay Minuet 2 in satin brass finish with medium oak and white blades. I didn't notice that, stupid white blades. I think this is the first time I've ever seen an antique or satin brass fan come with white blades. I think that's a downright hideous combination. I think white blades look nice with polished brass, but certainly not with antique brass. So the end goal here is to have this installed in the media room, but after that obnoxious, noisy, humming piece of junk Minuet that was in there previously, I'm nervous about the noise level on these things. So I want to test it down here first in a situation where if it's noisy and not usable, it doesn't really matter, as opposed to installing it somewhere that it's needed, because I use the ceiling fan in the media room all the time when I'm editing. So I don't want to put something in there that's obnoxious. So this has clearly been tampered with, so we're going to have to check this before we install it. Hopefully everything's here, but who knows. Okay, so that's not a good sign. Stuff is all opened up and parts are loose and tampered with. Well, I'll be. Those are white blades. Oh man, look at this. Alright, we got to do a full software check before we even get started here. This is the bright light. Yeah, this on white? Ugh, no, that is egregious in my opinion. Although, at least this is kind of like a cross between polished brass and antique brass. It's not really quite either one. I think a true antique brass just looks downright atrocious with white blades. Bracket! Oh, good to know. I wasn't sure what the heck that was. Thought it was a leg. Okay, so this... that's great. And this is all filthy in here too. Oh yeah, this is just phenomenal. Wonder if this was like a store return or something. There's this stupid, useless piece of junk. A waste of plastic. I don't even know where that piece of junk went. Oh well, oh here it is. Ooh, I'm gonna balance your fan. Give me a break. Stupid thing couldn't balance a piece of paper out. Not sure what that's for. There's one of the fobs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another fob. What is all this junk in here? There's these stupid things that you'd have to be outside of your mind to tape that to something that spins at 200 something RPM and hope it doesn't fly off. Ridiculous product. Surprised those all haven't been recalled. Alright, I think that's all the miscellaneous hardware that's there. High voltage, yeah, it's just 120 volts, it's not a big deal. Be dramatic. I don't know why this is all full of that trash. Clean that out. Well, it's not in the greatest of condition, but it's not terrible either. Alright. Mounting bracket, uprod. I might actually opt to use the shorter one in here. I think that's going to make more sense. Yeah, we'll use the shorter one. That's rare. Normally we always use the longer ones, but here we'll use the shorter one. The light all slimy. Oh, it's actually pretty clean. Is there an incandescent here? And there's an incandescent. Alright, so it looks like we have all the parts. Let's see if we have all the software. Put this back in here for now to keep the space organized. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That'd be nothing short of a miracle if we actually have all the parts that we need here. So there should probably be 18 of these, I would imagine. If they came in packages of 6, so there's 6 there, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Well, what the heck? If there's 6 blades, and there can't possibly be more than 3 of these per blade. So there should be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, so there's enough of those. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Did I count that wrong? Probably. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, I hate counting, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we're missing 1 washer. That's probably not catastrophic. So we can very likely... oh, here we go. There it is. 18. We're not missing anything. Okay. And these screws don't look to be all the same. We only have a whopping 3 lock washers, so that's... everything's just going to be unlocked. There's... are these for the blades? For the motor? Looks like it. But why are there two different lengths? Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Great. Wait, 15, 16. Well, what are all these for? Oh, it's concealed hardware. I didn't even realize that. So these are the... No, that doesn't seem to work. Are these the blade screws? Okay, these appear to be the blade screws. So what is this then? How many of these? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Two, 4, 6, 8. How the heck many of these are there? 2, 4, 6, 2, 4. So these have got to be the motor screws. And what are you for? These are definitely for the motor, and that's complete. So we have the motor screws. I feel like something's weird here, because this is definitely that. So there's 4 of these, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1 of these missing. I think we could probably just leave 1 off. Oh no, there's 2 missing, because that's a little bit longer. That goes with that. Are these all of the same kind? I think so. And then there's a lock washer here. So we're missing 2 blade screws maybe? But these don't seem to thread to here. I can't imagine it's that tight that you can't do it by hand. No, that's not right. That can't possibly thread to there. No way. No, these don't go to this. No, these definitely don't fit to that. What about these? Okay, good. These fit. That's important, because now I have something to match it to. I can go to store and try to get new hardware. Okay, so that kind of stinks. Yeah, I bet this was a store return. So we have 5 of the screws that we need, and then a whole bunch of other ones that have nothing to do with it, which I don't understand. I'm not convinced that these have anything to do with this fan. They're the right color, but they don't seem to fit anything. Okay, well, we'll save this hardware, because I think this is correct for the blades. And this is correct for the blades as well. I'll take one of those upstairs and bring it to the store. I think though the Home Depot has a gauge thing that you can use to find out what the threads are in that. And then, so that's good. That's fine. This is just extras. And I don't know what these are for. I'm not convinced that these have anything to do with it, quite frankly. Okay, well this is going to be considered a fail for now. We'll have to do a part 2 on this one. We'll go, yeah, the store is shut right now, so I'll have to go get some new screws, and then hopefully after that we can install the it. And that is exactly why we always check these things pretty carefully, because even though they look, you know, it's supposed to be new old stock and all this, there's always people tampering with stuff, and then it gets all barfed up, and then this is what you end up with. But this is not a big deal. We can replace that part. If anything had to be missing, that's exactly the way I would choose it to be, because at least now we have a part that we can reference to replace it. And it's a replaceable part. Screws, we can get new screws. It's not like it's missing the irons or something crazy like that. Oh well, that'll just sit there for now, and I'll have to go to the store and sort that out another day.